going to show you how to do Penn Badgley's hairstyle in the show You. In the early seasons, the character Joe Goldberg had shorter hair, but I'm going to show you how to do his longer hair from season 4. First, you need to let your hair grow out for months. It should be at least 7 inches on the top, and at least 5 to 6 inches for the back and sides. It's fine if you have it slightly longer or slightly shorter. Before we get to styling, you need to make sure you wash your hair properly. You should only be shampooing 2 to 3 times a week, and you should be using conditioner every day. If you have trouble styling your hair, it's probably because it's too dry, and that's what happens when you shampoo too much. So now we'll get to styling the hair. Penn Badgley's hair is really wavy with a lot of texture. Starting with damp hair, you want to put in a few drops of argan oil. Spread it as much as you can from root to tip. If you need some added texture, try using a sea salt spray. Spray it all around and then scrunch it into your hair. So now let your hair fall naturally. Penn Badgley's hair actually parts on the left side. You can try creating your own part if you want, or you can just let it fall naturally. For my hair right now, this is where it naturally parts. So now we're going to use a blow dryer with a diffuser. As you dry your hair, try to scrunch your hair upwards. Now we're going to use a styling cream before it completely dries. I'm going to take a little bit of the Forte series styling cream and spread it all around. Keep blow drying while scrunching your hair. At this point, your hair should have a lot of texture. If your hair is super straight and you want some more waves, you need to use a curling wand. After your hair is dry, use the curling wand section by section. Only use it for a few seconds in each spot, and that will give you very light waves. You can use a little bit more of the styling cream if needed, but don't use too much. And after that, just finish styling it into place. And to finish off the hairstyle, make sure to have some hair hanging down. What I have here is basically a shorter version of his hair. Like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe if you want more videos just like this.